as that. Okay. Now what happens after that? So now n is a number of strings, so if they are 4, then you also have their 4. Now what happens that is that our first value here is 0, so it will be the first x naught. Then to move to the next, on this we add n. So when you add h, our h is this. So when you add it here, you shall get pi over 8. Now here when you add pi over 8, let me show you here. When you add pi over 8, because you move to the next step, you add that h, which is pi over 8. This will give you 2 pi, the same LCM. We add in numerators by 2, goes there, 4. So mean the next is going to be pi over 4. Then to get the next, now on this, you add pi, you add h. So when I add there, I'll be having now pi over 4 plus h, which is pi over 8. Still same is 8. This goes here 2. Then plus pi, which will give us 3 pi over 8. So mean that this one is going to be 3 pi over 8. So then the next one, of course, it's going to be that, but we have to move. You see that we have now 3 pi over 8, then plus pi over 8. It's that the same denominator, so we add the numerators, we have now 3 pi plus pi the whole over 8. This will give you 4 pi over 8, which gives you pi over 2. So then after, it means that now our last will be here, pi over 2. So now we have exhausted all. Now, the first thing you do before you handle anything is now these are trig functions. You convert your calculator to radians, as I'm going to show you. So how you convert? You press mod. Again, then also again, then again, again. Then you see here it's degrees, radians. Then you press 2. So when you press that 2, you see now it's in R, that R there. That means that it's in radians. All trig functions, we should press that. Now, it's that our y is this. We are going to substitute in this. Where there is x, we shall substitute in these values here. So here we have y naught, y3. So we need this x value in the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and then the last. So we start with the first, which is 0. Press that, you say, now you see, you just say 1, then divide by, you open brackets, then you see we have 1, then plus, sign, then we have our first x is 0, then you close the brackets, then you press equals. It's that we are having a 1. Here we are having a 1 like that. Then you come also to this last one. Now the last one, there we put it. Now here, you open brackets. So you open a bracket there. Then to press that radian as our x, you press shift. Then you come to this radian here. I think it's that arrow back the up thing. Then you press over. This one means over. This over. Then 2. You press a 2. Then you close bracket. Then you close again. Now this bracket is closing this. But remember we had a bracket. Then you also close it again. Then you press equals. So that I'm getting 0.4. So this one is giving me 0.5. So then I add. When I add, I get 1.5. These are terminating. Even if you put there decimal places, or you can leave it there when you add there. Now when I come to this, now what you do, you just change. Now this one is going to be pi over 8. So what we do, you just come that answer, then you press this one with 8, because there we have 8. Then you say 8, then you press equals. That's the value. To now we are going to give to 5 decimal places. So this one is going to give me 0.7. 2, 3, 2, 7, 2, 3, 2, 3. Then when I come to this, now I replace 8 with a 4. get 0.5, your calculator should be in radians. 5, 7, 9 to 4. And when I press this, now it's that here we have, okay, this is for this, then I come to this. Now this one, I have to rewrite that. Now how am I going to do that? You say it's going to be now 3 pi, 3 shift T, then this pi, that pi is there, then you say the whole over 8, then you cross, then again you cross, then you press equals. I think you see the answer that we are getting. You see? Okay, so now this one is going to be 0.51978 to 5 decimal places. Then after that, we can easily add these ones. So when we add all these ones, we have 0.723, sorry, 2323. Get 1.8288. So that's the value I'm getting. Okay, so after that, then I just now I read my, but here my A is going to approximately be a half H into now y naught plus y4, then plus twice y1, y2, y3, the whole, then I close the brackets like that. So my area there will approximately be a half into, now my h, this h, our h is there, 5/8. Then we open the brackets. This one, when we add it, we go to 1.5, then plus 2 into all of this 1.8288, then we cross, then our L will approximately be, we first get this minus 2, then we add this, then we multiply times shift pi over 8 cross, then divide by 2. This 2 divided by that 2. The answer we are getting is 1.01269. Okay, can even give 2. Now you come and you approximate this to the decimal places wanted in the question. So sort 4, 1.012. And this one is going to be 7. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicated that 4 decimal places. Then you cross that like that. So that's how we handle that. But this is also crucial. And very crucial in that order there. So let's remember. See you in the next lesson.